Hello everybody, my name is Margot Goles-Maciasic and you're watching sheccoTV News. This is a quick roundup of the most important natural refrigerant updates from around the world. This week, we will talk about the long-awaited hydrocarbon charge limit increase for home fridges in the US and a teenage student inventing Freon-free air conditioning system. Starting off with the biggest news, the Environmental Protection Agency in the US raised the charge limits for hydrocarbons in domestic fridges and freezers from 57 grams to 150 grams. Now, what does all of that mean? It means that now there will finally be more environmentally friendly fridges in the US market. With the charge limit being raised, the cooling capacity of these fridges will be much better and they could reach lower temperatures. Thus, they can be more competitive on the market. These 57 grams, which were the limit before, were seen as an obstacle to the adoption of energy-efficient hydrocarbon refrigeration in the US domestic market. So US citizens bought about 12 million new R134A based refrigerators and freezers annually. R134A stands for tetrafluoroethane, an ozone-depleting refrigerant with a higher global warming potential than any natural refrigerant. Just as a very important side note, elsewhere in the world where 150 grams has long been the charge limit for domestic refrigerators, units using isobutane have gained substantial market share. Commenting on this much welcome news, Kevin Messner, Senior Vice President of Policy and Government Relations of Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers, said, "We are very pleased with the EPA's action to update its regulations to the most recent safety standards, which will allow household refrigerations of all sizes and types to be designed and manufactured to use a climate-friendly refrigerant." Finally, America is keeping up with the NatRev game. Moving on across the Pacific to Philippines, we have an exciting story about a teenager who invented Freon-free air conditioning system using only air as the refrigerant. Yes, a teenager, and yes, air as the refrigerant. Maria Isabel Angel Palma, a 19-year-old student, was recognized by the International Federation of Inventors Association for her invention. Palma began developing the system around 2 years ago during her senior year at the Philippine Science High School. She is now an incoming mechanical engineering freshman student at the La Salle University in Manila. Palma described the system during an exclusive interview with Shecco. "My air disc air conditioning technology serves to replace chemical refrigerant-based air conditioning with an earth-friendly and pocket-friendly technology that uses air molecules to produce air conditioning using an open system approach instead of closed system air conditioning that use rotary or piston-type compressors. I hope the companies presently engaged in manufacturing or distribution of air conditioners will join me in transferring to an eco and health-friendly technology." The use of natural refrigerant solutions in Southeast Asia will be the main focus of discussion at the 5th Annual Atmosphere Asia 2018 conference, which will take place on 4 September, the day before Mostra Convegno Expo Comfort Asia in central Singapore. You can buy your tickets to this amazing conference on the link provided in the description of this video. If you want to find out more about these news items, you can find the links to the articles in the description of this video. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you next week for sheccoTV News updates. Goodbye.